If you're looking for a quick and easy way to reduce stress, then you should try mindful breathing. In this video, I'm going to teach 5 mindful breathing techniques that you can use anytime, anywhere. Breathwork is one of the foundational practices of mindfulness. Research shows that it decreases depression, it decreases stress, decreases anxiety, it increases emotional regulation and self-awareness, and it can even be helpful for people who have physical breathing problems. Because when we are stressed, we go into fight or flight mode. The mindful breathing helps signal your nervous system that you are calm and you are safe. And after this video, be sure to check out my companion video where I will actually guide you through these different techniques. Hi, I'm Dr. Lori Barker, and I'm a therapist, educator, and consultant, and I love giving people practical tips for how to improve their mental health and transform their lives. One reason breath work is so central to mindfulness is because mindfulness is all about being fully aware in the present moment with curiosity and without judgment. And our breath is always here. We usually don't even think about it. We do it very mechanically most of the time, and it's in the background. We don't even pay attention. But when we do, our breath is always here. It's something that we can focus on, that can bring us into the present moment. It can help us center and focus and ground. So let's get into our 5 strategies. The first one is to pay attention to what's happening with your body as you are breathing. And you can start right up here with your nostrils. So just notice, what does it feel like as the breath comes in and out of your nose? One thing you might notice is that when you breathe in, the air is a little bit cool, and when you breathe out, it's a little bit warmer. And then you can follow that breath in through your nostrils and then down into your throat. Just notice that sensation. What does it feel like as the breath is going down into your throat when you inhale and when it comes back out as you exhale? And then just continue to follow your breath down into your lungs and focus on your chest. And what happens? When you breathe in, your chest expands, and when you breathe out, it contracts. And your belly does the same thing when you're breathing. That when you breathe in, your belly rises, and when you breathe out, your belly falls. And did you notice what just happened to my shoulders? As I was breathing in, my shoulders went up a little bit, and then as you breathe out, your shoulders go down. If you're sitting against a chair and your back's resting against the chair, you might notice that with your back when you're breathing. That when you inhale, your back muscles press against the chair a little bit, and then when you exhale, your back muscles relax and are not pressing as hard into the back of the chair. Another thing you can do with your body is pay attention to how your breath sounds. Just notice, what does it sound like as you inhale and as you exhale? So these are all examples of how just focusing on what's happening in your body when you're breathing can be very calming and relaxing. Strategy number 2 is that you can simply say to yourself as you're breathing, breath in, breath out. Breath in, breath out. Or maybe you just say in, out, in, out. Again, the purpose is for you to sort of shut out all the clutter that's going on around you and use this as a way of helping you focus in on your breath in the present moment. A third strategy that you can use is to count to 10 or count 10 breaths. And each inhale and exhale counts as one breath. So you can inhale, exhale, that's 1. Inhale, exhale, that's 2. And you keep going until you get to 10. If you lose track as you're counting to 10 and you're like, oh my goodness, I don't know what number I was on, it's very simple. Just go back to 1. So the goal is that you can eventually get to 10. And if you get all the way to 10 and you want to continue your mindful breathing, just go back to 1. And you do that as many times as you need to. So the 4th technique we're going to talk about is box breathing. And you might notice here that we're getting a little bit more complicated with each technique. And that's something that you might want to do as you're learning how to do this, because you are. It's like training, like working out. You're training your body, your nervous system, your brain, how to engage in mindful breathing. So you might want to start with the simpler techniques and then work your way up to the ones that are a little bit more complicated. So this one is box breathing. Some people call it square breathing. Either one is fine. But what you're going to do is you're going to imagine that you're drawing a box or a square and coordinate your breathing with that square. So on the inhale, you're going up one side of the square, then you hold it at the top for a little bit. Then as you exhale, you go down the other side of the square. And then on the exhale, you also pause a little bit. And it's a nice idea to count as you're going through each side of the square. And depending again on your skill level, your comfort, your lung capacity, you may want to count for, a different number, but a nice place to start is with a count of 4. So you go up, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4, exhale, 2, 3, 4, and hold, 2, 3, 4. And if you want a video where I guide you through some box breathing, be sure to check out this video right here. The fifth strategy is vagus nerve breathing. Now, there are different methods, again, for vagus nerve breathing. This is just one. The vagus nerve is a central part of the parasympathetic nervous system, which is the one that's designed for rest and digest. So by doing vagus nerve breathing, it helps take us out of fight or flight mode and put us into rest and digest mode. And really the key thing here with vagus nerve breathing is that the inhale is shorter than the exhale. So you inhale quickly, and you might want to pause on the inhale and then exhale slowly. So one thing that can help here, like the box breathing, is to count. For some people, they will inhale for 4 and exhale for 6. So again, inhale 2, 3, 4, and then exhale 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So notice that the exhale is a little bit longer, and that's what helps send that signal to the vagus nerve that you are safe and you are calm. And there we have it. You just learned 5 mindful breathing techniques, practical ways to help you reduce your stress, reduce anxiety, overwhelm, and burnout. And these are strategies you can use anytime, anywhere. And if you want some help, you want a guided practice, like you want me to walk you through each of these breathing techniques, be sure to check out my video where I do that. And go to my channel and look at my other videos so you can learn lots of other ways to improve your mental health and transform your life. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.